YouTube, what's up, YouTube? It's your man back at it. You're watching Boulevard TV, and where are we right now? It's hiding behind a tree, but right now we're at PC Richard and Son during a barbecue event. Let me show you this cool sign they have here in front of their building. Bam! Oh yeah, and guess what they have? Hundreds of grills out here. It was raining, so a lot of this stuff is covered up. But we're gonna go inside and take a look at some grills because one grill did catch my eye. Weber's char-broils. We got everything out here. But one grill did catch my eye, and that's this puppy right here. And this company is called Traeger. And I got my man right here, Justin.
What's up, y'all?
What's up, Justin? How you doing, man?
Hey, Benny. How you doing today?
Doing good. Tell me a little bit about this grill, man, and what separates this grill from every other grill out here.
Well, let me just take you through the picture. It'll just take a minute, but it pretty much explains what it's all about. So you're using the wood pellets there. They're all natural hardwood. You fill the hopper up, and you just flip the switch and turn it on. Now, if you see that auger down there, what that does is feeds the wood in. And it lands on this little hot rod down there, and that little metal rod's going to light it automatically in 4 minutes. So you're cooking on an all-wood fire. But there's no matches or lighter fluid. There's a fan down there. And what that fan does is it stokes the fire. It also creates convection. So you don't have to flip your food or turn it, but now you can bake your wood-fired pizzas. You can roast your chickens and turkeys. You can smoke your salmon. You can grill your burgers and steaks. Now this is your drip tray, so all the grease, fat, and oil is going to slide down in the bucket. So it makes your cleanup easy. And there's no flare-ups. You can't burn your food.
Yeah, those flare-ups, they get kind of annoying, man. That's how you burn that chicken, man. You try to do that, you know, as soon as you get that flare-up.
Then you're pouring out half your beer just to put out the fire. Now you get to drink the whole
And now you're
thing.
really upset.
Now you get to drink the
At
whole
least
beer.
the chicken to taste good, though.
Yeah, right. That's a good point. But now the porcelain grill is going to stay non-stick for you. So it's a 6-in-1. You can grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, and barbecue. You just control it by the dial.
Yeah, you can grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, and barbecue. What exactly is a braise?
It's like almost like a crock pot, like slow cooking, like in like a stew. You see what I mean, like that. So it's where you got the
nice.
Now,
So let me. Sorry to cut you off.
No,
so I see a plug here.
Yes.
It's electric.
Plug it in.
Okay, so it's electric. You plug it in. No gas, no tank, no charcoal.
Yeah, and it's only pulling 50 watts. It's like the same as a light bulb, but it's it's what gives you your freedom. So you can put your food in here and walk away. So you don't have to babysit the grill. Now, say you want to grill your burgers, steaks, or hot dogs, or you want to cook a pizza, crank it up to high, 450 degrees. But now you get that wood-fired flavor like any high-end steakhouse. You know, you go to a nice place, they're advertising a wood-fired grill. Now you have it in your backyard. If you want to smoke, you just set it to smoke. It's about 160 to 180 degrees, and now you have the #1 rated smoker. That fan is going to drive the smoke and all that flavor to the center of your turkey or your salmon or homemade beef jerky. I know you all like that. now say you want to do some ribs, brisket, pulled pork, anything like that, go to 225. It's low and slow. That's where the pros cook. So I'll throw a couple racks of ribs in here. I'll go golfing all day.
Come back and it's not.
Come back.
No flare up, so it's not going to burn. It's ready for you to grab it.
That is perfect. But you don't have to babysit the grill anymore because of that convection, right? So you don't have to flip or turn it. But this temperature probe right here, that recognizes any change in temperature. So say it starts raining or snowing outside, or it gets real windy and the temperature drops, that just tells the auger to put more wood on the fire. Now, that's amazing, right? The hardest part about cooking is maintaining temperature, and the Traeger does it all for you. So all you do is just turn it off, and everything stops. Now, the pellets, they're all natural hardwood. They come in those 20-pound bags. You can find them everywhere. Now, there's hickory, mesquite, apple, alder, maple, pecan, cherry, oak. And a bag's going to fill this hopper up and last you 15 to 25 hours, depending on what you're cooking.
That's insane.
Right?
Amazing.
Yeah, they're about $18 a bag, so it's cheaper than charcoal or propane.
So there's no charcoal, there's no gas, and what you're using to cook with is giving the food flavor. That's crazy. So, oh, I see. So this little thing spins, feeds, comes in here.
Goes
Gotcha.
into that fire pot, yep.
Amazing.
And it's all wood. There's no chemicals, glues, or binders. It's 100% virgin hardwood that we're cooking on. So, cleanest and healthiest way to go. So, if you like good food, which I know all you do, get yourself a Traeger.
Nice. We out.